In this video, I will use a sample UCC Lean Activity Report to show you how to print address labels directly from the report itself. Please note, this only works if you receive your UCC reports via email as Microsoft Excel files. All reports, including yours, contain 3 worksheets. All 3 worksheets contain virtually the same information, just organized differently. The worksheet named Data is optimal for sorting, filtering, printing address labels, and importing the data into your own customized software. The worksheet named Printable displays the data in such a way that it is easier for you to see on your computer screen, and it also prints quite nicely. The last worksheet, named Summary, is a consolidated view of the report. Now, let's go back to the Data worksheet. This is the worksheet that we will be using with Microsoft Word to print address labels. Don't worry, I'll explain more about that later. But before getting into Microsoft Word, I highly recommend that you delete any rows that contain data that you don't want to print an address label for. For example, let's say that you're not interested in customers of First Federal Finance. You can highlight those rows and delete them, which will result in no address labels being printed for those records. Or you can scroll to the right until you can see the D1 zip code column. Undeliverable addresses will not have the 4-digit extension added to the zip code. So if you want to save some postage, I would recommend deleting those records as well. Another thing you can do is remove duplicate addresses so that you don't send multiple solicitations to the same household. There are certainly other things that you could do, but I think you get the idea. So now it's time to save your changes. If you've already saved the report on your computer, remember to save under a new name this time, since this is no longer the original report, but a customized solicitation list. Okay, so we've made our changes to our Excel file. We've saved that to our computer. Now I've got Microsoft Word open, a blank document. I'm using Microsoft Office 2007. So if you don't have 2007, the exact steps may be a little different, but you should be able to go to Microsoft Word's help and type Mail Merge Wizard to get the exact steps if they are different from mine. What I'm going to do first is click on the Mailings tab at the top. Then I'm going to select Start Mail Merge. Step-by-step Mail Merge Wizard. And then on the right I'm going to select Labels, and then at the bottom right I'm going to click Next Starting Document. Okay, Label Options. Now I've got it on Avery US Letter 18160. This is a popular type of label that you can find in most stores. I'm going to go with that one. Click OK. Then next to select recipients. Now we've got to go get that Excel file, so we want to click Browse. I saved it as Label Test, so we'll select that, click Open. We do want the Data worksheet. Click OK here. Now at the bottom right again, click Next to arrange your labels, and then select Address Block. Click on this Match Fields button. For first name, we're going to select debtor number 1. Now for some reports you are able to separate first name and last name, but not in this report. For address, we're going to do D1 address, city, D1 city, state is D1 state, and postal code D1 zip. And then we'll click OK when we're done. It gives us a little preview in this box here, and then we'll click OK. We need to click on the button for Update All Labels, and then at the bottom right, click Next to preview your labels. This looks pretty good. Click on Next to complete the merge, and then you can print directly from this document. I recommend, however, to edit individual labels. It will let you see all of the pages of labels to be printed if you merge all records, which it will default to. So now you can look at the other pages and make sure that everything fits onto the corresponding labels. If not, you would need to change the text or font size. And that's it. You're ready to go. You're ready to print on every 18160. You can also save the document to your computer to come back and use at a later time. This concludes the video. Feel free to call or email us with any questions or comments, and thank you for watching.